So we're in Lake Arrowhead. We've been here for a couple days, but today Tacoma, Berto, Louise, Frontier, and me, the Land Cruiser, we're headed over to do, I think it's called Pilot Ridge Trail or something like that. Should be super simple. We just want to get away and check a trail while we're here and bring you guys along. We're on Pilot Rock Trail here in Lake Arrowhead. Should be about 2 hours. Not going to be really detailed, but we're going to be showing you some of the road. Supposedly real easy. Maybe some difficult areas, but we'll see. Go straight up. If you guys want to follow, we can explore. In worst case, we just come back down. All right, so obviously there's a truck trail, which is pretty easy, but there's a bunch of little offshoots that goes parallel to the truck trail. So so far so good, as long as it's dry, not like our last trip. Yeah. This is pretty cool. I thought it was going to be a little bit flatter, but yeah, these little ruts and stuff have been nice and, you know, flexy. So 4-wheel drive, maybe some lockers if you wanted to, would be good here too. So obviously we went through the, I don't know if it's a black diamond or a diamond, but you do get all these little obstacles. You do need to be careful because that doesn't look like a big deal, but it is a nice drop. And there's all these offshoots here. This is the easy route, or you could go that way. All right, maybe you can see the articulation of the. Yep, he's got it. There. Yeah, it doesn't look as aggressive as it looks on video, but it is a nice drop. Do you have one of those degrees where it tells you how? Oh no, go back! Go back! Oh, oh shit. Yeah, he got it. He straightened it out. Yeah, that rock helped him straighten it out. All right. Do you want to just kind of take the easy routes?
Yeah, so we
Get back? All right, let's go. We're starting to descend from the peak and dropping in. You can see, check out that lake. I want to say it's Silverwood Lake. Silverwood Lake. Pretty easy if you stay on the green trail, the offshoots. It does get a little technical if you're not used to it. I'll just say stay away from it. See, there's an offshoot right there. So we made a left. We didn't make it all the way through that trail. We cut down. I don't know. It's south. Oops. Wait. Right here. Let's see. There you go. Miller Canyon Road. So we're on Miller Canyon Road now because we're cutting it a little short. It's not a long trip. It's a short trip. We're gonna get back into town, have some lunch and stuff like that. But Miller Canyon Off-Road is this one. So I think I would probably start on Miller Off-Road and then work my way up to Arrowhead. But yeah, still trekking down. Now we're descending down the mountain. Pretty simple, obviously coming down. As long as there's no traffic, you're golden.